Today we're going to look at factoring of simple trinomials, and we'll do this over a couple of days, but today we're going to be looking at factoring simple trinomials. So as part of our warm-up, what we'll take a look at is we'll just do some expanding and simplifying of the following terms that we have here. Again, in this first example here on the left, we're going to be doing some expanding of these two binomials. That means we're going to be multiplying them together using our FOIL pattern. So again, using FOIL pattern, we're going to multiply the firsts, then the outsides, then the insides, and then the lasts. So we're going to multiply x times 2x, and that's going to leave us with 2x squared. Then we multiply the outside terms, that's x and negative 3, and that would leave us with negative 3x. Then multiplying the inside terms, that's positive 5 times 2x, that would leave us with positive 10x, and then finally we multiply our last terms. So positive 5 times negative 3 leaves us with negative 15. So if we simplify this and collect our like terms, we end up with 2x squared plus 7x minus 15. Okay. If we do the same thing over here on the right-hand side, we see we have a perfect square. First thing, we're going to solve this the exact same way we did the first example, but there's one extra step, and that's this squared piece here. And what that means is that this actually is 5x minus 4 times 5x minus 4. Okay, and once we've got that piece written out, everything else still applies. We're still going to multiply our firsts, our outsides, our insides, and our lasts. So we'll multiply 5x times 5x, and that will give us 25x squared. 5x times negative 4 will give us negative 20x. Inside terms is negative 4 times 5x, and that's another negative 20x. And then finally our last terms, that's negative 4 times negative 4, and that will give us positive 16. So again, we collect our like terms, and we end up with 2x squared minus 40x plus 16. Okay, so that's just a review of multiplying two binomials together. And in terms of our warm-up, we can carry on by looking at how to convert into standard form. And we did this in the last lesson. And again, when we convert into standard form, again, it's really important to recognize that there is a binomial that's in here. In this case, the x plus 4 squared represents a binomial, so we can actually expand that out and then build on that piece. So this particular formula that's written is actually written in vertex form, and we want to convert that into standard form. So what we'll do is we want to expand out this binomial. So we end up with y squared is equal to 2 times x plus 4 times x plus 4. Okay, and then at the end there's a plus 3. Okay, and we're going to deal with that plus 3 at the end, but we're just going to do one step at a time here. So now we're going to expand out what's on the middle brackets. So we're going to multiply the two binomials together. So we'll do x times x for x squared, x times positive 4 for positive 4x, 4 times x gives us another positive 4x, and 4 times 4 gives us positive 16. And again, plus 3. So let's collect our like terms in the middle. We end up with x squared plus 8x plus 16, and then plus 3 at the end. So now what we need to do is actually multiply through. We've got 2 and then a bunch of stuff in brackets. So everything that's in brackets we need to multiply by 2. So we got to multiply 2 times x squared, 2 times 8x, and 2 times that positive 16x. So that's going to give us 2x squared plus 16x plus 32 plus 3. So now there's only one more set of like terms that we can collect, and that's at the back end here, the two coefficients, 32 plus 3. So that leaves us with x squared plus 16x plus 35. Okay, so that's just a quick review of skills that we learned last day and that we're going to continue on as we're building forward here.